Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are waiting for the web version of Threads, which is, of course, Meta's equivalent to Twitter, some of you might actually start getting access, and it's really just trying your luck. I'll share the link to it. I don't have access to it on the web yet. It brings me to this page, but this is where it's going to happen at threads.net. If you see this, still not available for you. At some point, and apparently within the next couple of weeks, it should actually work. There will be a web version available where you'll be able to interact, post, and so on, which is, of course, a highly anticipated feature. You know, we could do this on Twitter, and a lot of Twitter users actually are on PC rather than using their apps. So it's coming. If you're lucky today, you click here and you get access. Just log into your account. If not, this is what you're going to see. And eventually, it's going to be the page for the threads. Talking about threads, and I had a few of you ask me, so what is happening with threads? Its use is kind of fading away. And one of the biggest problems with it is that it's missing a lot of functionalities that X, or what was called Twitter, actually have. And that's the big problem, is that going to threads, a lot of people kind of figure out that even though, more than 100 million people signed up in the first week, they're pretty much going back to Twitter or X. So, I've actually not abandoned, but I'm not using threads really that much. I don't find that, I kind of find it better to go back to my Twitter account. So I think a lot of people are noticing that. And so, the big chance of Meta to really compete is fading away fast, unfortunately. And even though they did gain a lot of momentum with users in the beginning, I think they're kind of losing that chance of maybe making a mark and creating something new. So anyways, the link to this is in the description below, and try it from time to time. At some point, you'll get a page where you can sign in and use threads on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.